Hello everybody, it's artist Evgeny Bondarenko and I'm again in Taiwan. Today I'm in Yunlin Storyhouse and I will sketch this story house on a wooden box. So I use a special acrylic marker with acrylic ink, and I will tell you about this project with a box for postcards. So here I use some pencil for a sketch. Later I can erase this pencil very easy. So Yunlin Storyhouse is like a museum. It's old Japanese house, and here the main idea is not only to preserve this architecture, but also to tell people story about their area, about their culture, and like help people to share each other different stories. So a story can be about their life, about history, about some important events, and so topic is change. And today, like this time, have this topic, this project about preserving historical buildings. The three artists draw 4 postcards, and also each of them make decoration kind of for a box, like this wooden box in which we can put postcards inside. So it's kind of collection of postcards on inside wooden box with some drawing on a wooden box. Already I made a couple of them, and here I show you example. So here's a Huawei salon. Here's my sketches. It's like historical sites in China. Here's Taiwan, Hong Kong. And there are a lot of other artists postcards too. So yeah, you can see. So I like this idea of drawing outside on the cover. I like drawing this building, and then when you open, inside is interior of this building. So all these boxes go into Yunlin Storyhouse. So visitors can buy these boxes with the postcards.